Hello everyone. In this video, we'll solve a set based upon logical reasoning. So the question is A, B, C, D are four athletes who participated in each of the four different races 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter and 800 meter during an annual athletics meet at 2019 CL Olympics. Each athlete belonged to a different department among Phi Lab, Technology, Operations and Marketing in no particular order. None of the four athletes finished at the same position in more than two of the four races. So we have four races. An athlete can maximum finish at the same position in two races. Like if we talk about athlete A, he can get same rank in maximum two races, and the same applies to all other athletes. Then in each race, the four athletes were given ranks 1, 2, 3, 4 according to the positions at which they finished in the race. The one who completed the race first is ranked 1 and the one who completed the race just after the first person is ranked 2 and so on. No two athletes finished at the same position in any single race. So this basically means that every athlete will get unique rank in a single race. It is also known that, so we have some clues. So the first clue here is the athlete from operations finished at the same position in the 100 meter race and the 200 meter race, as well as in the 400 meter race and the 800 meter race. So these are regarding the ranks of different athletes from these departments in these races. Second one is in the 400 meter race, C finished 4th while D finished 2nd. So all these clues are regarding their standings in the race, their ranks in the race. We'll go directly to the questions to check what we need to find out. Then according to that, we'll arrange the data. First one is the athlete with the second highest sum of ranks in the four races is. So we'll check the ranks of all the athletes and the athletes having second highest sum of ranks. That will be our answer. Second one is the departments that C and D belong to respectively are. So now reading these two questions, we know that we need to find out the rank of each and every athlete in every race as well as their departments. Third one is the athlete from which department finished third in the 400 meter race. So this will also be answered if we find out ranks and their departments. If the athlete with the lowest sum of ranks in the four races won the trophy, which athlete won the trophy? So this will also be answered if we know the ranks. So let us go to the next slide. We'll try to relate all the data, that means ranks, their position in every race and the departments. So now we need to relate athletes and the races in which they are running. So I'll be writing the races over here. We have races of 100 meter, then 200 meter, then 400 meter and at last 800 meters. In all the races we have different ranks, rank 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will be our table in which we can easily relate ranks and the races of all the athletes. Now I have already told you multiple times that whenever we have a table, we start by filling the direct clues. So we'll go through all the clues one by one, keeping in mind that we cannot assign same rank to an athlete in more than two races from this clue over here. So first clue is the athlete from operations finished at the same position in the 100 meter race and the 200 meter race as well as in the 400 meter race and the 800 meter race. We do not know who is that athlete from operations, so we cannot use this clue. Second one is in the 400 meter race, C finished 4th while D finished 2nd. So C 4th in 400. So C will be over here and D 2nd. So D will be over here. Next clue is in the 100 meter race, B finished 3rd. So 100 meter race, B will finish 3rd. And the athlete from marketing finished 1st. So this will be the athlete from marketing. Interestingly, in the 200 meter race, B finished 1st. So 200 meter race, B will come 1st. And the athlete from marketing finished 3rd. So here marketing athlete will be 3rd. Next clue is in the 800 meter race, B and C finished 3rd and 4th respectively. So 800 meter race, B and C 3rd and 4th. Next one is in the 800 meter race, A and C interchanged the positions at which they had finished in the 200 meter race. So we can write it over here, the ranks of A and C, they will interchange in which races? In races of 800 and 200 meter. Last is the athlete from Phi Lab did not finish first in any of the four races. So the Phi Lab athlete, he will never come first in any of the four races. So since we have B in one of the races who is coming first, we can directly say that B cannot be from the Phi department. Now we know that AC interchange their ranks in races of 800 and 200 meter. So if I come to this race of 800 meter, I can see that we have C over here at 4th position. Now we need to fix A in this race of 800 meters so that when we interchange it, it should fit in the 200 meter race. So if I write A over here, if A and C are coming first and fourth in 800 meter, they should come fourth and first in 200 meter race. That means C should come first in 200 meter race and A should come fourth. So is that possible? Can I put A at rank 4 in 200 meter race and C at rank 1? No. In 200 meter race we already have B at rank 1. So this arrangement is impossible. That means A cannot be here at first rank in 800 meter. Let me erase it. So now let me try by putting A over here at second position. So in 800 meter race, A and C, they are getting rank 2 and 4. So in 200 meter race, A and C should get rank 4 and 2. So can I have A and C at rank 4 and 2 in this 200 meter race? A should be at 4th and C should be at 2nd. So yes, this is a possible arrangement. So this is possible. I'll encircle it. So that's it. There are no more possible arrangements. We'll keep this. A and C will have rank 4-2 in race of 200 meter. Now we have a lot of entries in the table. If we look at this race of 200 meter, we know that one person cannot have two ranks in the same race. So definitely we have D missing in the race of 200 meters. So this person will be D. He will be from marketing. As soon as I get D's from marketing in 100 meter race at rank 1, we'll have D. Similarly, in the 800 meter race, we have ABC filled. This person at rank 1 will definitely be D. So now we know that D is from marketing. We have to decide departments for C and A as well. Now in this first clue, we haven't used this. The athlete from operations finished at same position in 100 meter race and 200 meter race as well as in the 400 meter race and 800 meter race. So we have to look at these two races and these two races, and we have to find one person who can get same rank in these races. So if I assume that C is the person from operations, because see, B cannot be the person from operations. If B has to be from operations, he has to get same rank in this race of 100 and 200, but that is not possible. So I'll assume that C is the person from operations. So if C is getting same rank in race of 100 and 200, C should get rank 2 in this race of 100 meter. So we proceeded with the assumption that C is the person from operations. He is getting same rank in 100 and 200 meter race. He will get same rank in 400 and 800 meter race as well. So yes, we can see that C has got same rank in 400 and 800 meter race as well. So yes, this is a possible case. Another possible case could have been, we could have assumed that A is from operations. In that case, you would have seen that there is some conflict. Let me show it to you. If I assume that A is from operations, then definitely he would have to finish at same rank in 100 and 200 meter race. So this would have been A at 4th rank because rank is same over here. And he should have finished at same rank in race of 400 and 800 as well. But we cannot put A at same rank in 400 and 800 because we have AD like this over here. So A cannot be the person from operations. It will be C. So we'll be putting C over here. Now in 100 meter race, we'll have A definitely over here. So now we know that C is from operations. We know that B cannot be from Phi, so it will be from technology, and A will be from Phi. We know that the person from Phi, he cannot come first in any race. So we cannot put A at rank 1 in 400 meter race. So A will be over here and we'll have B over here. So that's it. Our table is complete. We can answer the questions now. The first question was the athlete with second highest sum of rank in 4 races. So we have athletes A, B, C, D. Let me find out their sum of ranks in all races. A will have some 4, 4, 3 and 2. So 11, 13. And B will have some 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3. That means 9. C will have some 4, 4, 8 and 2, 2, 4, 8, 4, 12. Then D will have some 1, 1, 3, 4, 4, 2, 6, 6, 1, 7. So which athlete has the second highest sum of ranks? It is C. So option C will be the correct answer over here. Second one is the department that C and D belong to respectively are. So C belongs to operation, D belongs to marketing. So operations and marketing, options B. Third one is the athlete from which department finished third in the 400 meter race. So 400 meter race third, A is from Phi. So Phi Lab, option A. Last one is if the athlete with the lowest sum of ranks in the 4 races won the trophy, which athlete won the trophy? So lowest sum of ranks, it is D. D will win the trophy, option D. So we have solved the question. It was very easy, wasn't very tough. If you still have a doubt, please ask again.